Okay, this is conductivity meter, make XS Instruments Italy, and the model number is conductivity 8 plus. Okay. This is the calibration certificate and user manual, printer cable. This is the electrode. This is the stand, main unit, power supply, and standard buffers 1413 and 12.88. Okay, this is the main unit and this is stand fixed like this is the electrode. This is for temperature and this is for main measurement. This is the electrode connection. This is for temperature. This is the power adapter. This is the power supply button. This is electrode protector cover. This is the power key, measurement or cal key, mode key. This is for enter. This is for to store the reading, and this is recall memory. Okay, now I am switching on the instrument. Model number conductivity 8%, software version, cell constant, calibration standard, reference temperature, temperature compensation factor, TDS factor. This is the main display of the instrument. This is present temperature and conductivity, cell constant and calibrated buffers. Now we are in measurement mode. This is date and time. Okay, now we will calibrate the instrument. This is 3-point calibration. We can do 3 points calibration. This is the mode button. If we press the mode button, it will change to TDS, salinity, conductivity. TDS, salinity, conductivity. If you want to enter the menu, press enter button once. In setup, conductivity, data logger and configuration, 3 are there. In conductivity, cell constant 1.0, calibration solution is standard. If you want to change it to user, if you want to calibrate your own buffer, you have to keep user. Due calibration, no. Last calibration data. If you want to see the last calibration data, you can see. Reference temperature is 25, temperature compensation factor 1.91, temperature calibration 28.3, TDS factor is 0.5. If you want to adjust, you can adjust, restore to factory default. This is back key, data logger, send data. If you have already saved the any data, you can send. Data logging type is manual. If you press the memory button, then only it will save. Print format. Okay, this is configuration. In this password hold date format, time and date, temperature unit and language are there. This is for logging the data. This is for recalling the memory. I am saving this one. Here already saved 2, again it is 3. If you want to see, press recall memory. 98, 18, 5, 2 values are there. This is previous one. Okay. If you want to calibrate the meter, you have to press measure key for 3 seconds. Okay, meter is asking for rinse the electrode and press enter. I am cleaning the electrode with distilled water. This is 84 standard. The meter is automatically detect the standard buffer. After coming this smile symbol, you have to press enter. It will adjust the value to 84. Okay. Again, clean the electrode with distilled water. I am taking standard 1413. Okay. Already I have cleaned the electrode. Buffer will automatically recognize and smile symbol. Press enter. It will adjust the value. Okay, press enter. Again, need to now I am taking 12.88 millisiemens. Already I have cleaned 12.88. Press enter, smile symbol. Okay. Okay, for 12.88 buffer I have kept in value is 12.88. I am storing this value. Reading is 4. Okay. After that, okay, 12.88 conductivity TDS. Last calibration data, view, Last conductivity calibration is 9/8/2020. Time is 18:13. We have calibrated. Okay. Okay. 841413. We have calibrated with 841413 and 12.88 millisiemens. Okay, now the instrument is calibrated with 3 buffers. This is the unknown sample. Small symbol came. 206 microsiemens. TDS is 104 ppm. We have to dip the electrode up to this hole into the sample. If we not dip the properly, values may come wrong.